There is this moment near the end of the film, The Sixth Sense, when suddenly everything makes sense and the things you didn't see before are suddenly crystal clear. That same moment happens to experts when they are becoming an author.
Pour a cup of clarity, sip a spark of insight. Coffee with Karma, your morning feels just right.
The thing with The Sixth Sense is that the clues were there right in front of you the whole time. But unless you were my coworker at the time, you didn't see them. I know I didn't see them. That same moment happens when you finally click and understand that your book idea has been there all along. It's like that moment in The Wizard of Oz when Dorothy finds out that she could have gone home as long as she was wearing the ruby slippers. All she had to do was click her heels together 3 times. In The Sixth Sense, all you had to do was look and recognize the clues. And with your expertise, all of a sudden, all these things that have you been doing in your business as you've tried to figure out your message and the thing that will get your ideal clients to come to you, all of a sudden you're like, "Oh, there it is. There it is." And all the things that seemed random before, you suddenly see how they all led to this moment. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 things about the sixth sense that are just like that moment when you realize this is your framework. This is your book idea. Because, like the little boy in the movie, I see book ideas. Hi, my name is Carma Spence, and I help experts, established experts, write the right book so that their book doesn't just end up on a digital shelf collecting digital dust. So they don't waste years and months and of their time sweating and poring over this really good book that does nothing. I help them write the right book so that it draws in their ideal clients, raises their authority, and drives business growth. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please like this video, comment below, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel so that more people like you who want to grow their business with books can get the information that they need to write the right book and grow their business. So that moment in The Sixth Sense, it's like that moment when everything that feels scattered becomes obvious in hindsight. Many experts think that their ideas are disconnected until they step back and they recognize the pattern. And that's one of the cool things about AI these days is that AI can help you see the pattern that's there. It's right there in front of your eyes. It's right there. But you don't see it until a good coach, a book strategist like me, or AI says, ding, 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 ding. It's been there all along. You are wearing the ruby slippers right now. Shiny, sparkly red. Just click your heels together 3 times or call me. Number 2, the clues were always there. It's like when I look at myself, it's like the clues to what I do today were there as early as when I was 4 years old. I just didn't know it. I didn't recognize it. I didn't see it. It took me a while to figure it out. And that could be you. You could be standing on a gold mine right now, and not see it because you haven't recognized that clue moment hasn't happened. Evidence right now is visible in your business, in your life. You simply need to look at it with the right lens. And again, a good coach, AI can help you with that lens. In fact, I've just finished pulling together yesterday the VIP vault and the plan for the Craft Your Authority workshop that's happening tomorrow. And when I look at it, what I've built is like that lens. If you listen to the information that the speakers gave, look through the notes, use the AI prompts I give you will discover things that are living right now in your expertise, in your stories right now. They're right there. They'll come out and they will help drive authority in your business. And you know what? You can have all of that for just $97. And if you do it today, no later than today, and join us tomorrow, you will get an extra bonus that's only available until tonight. And that's the Ideal Client Handbook by Amy Yamada. It's really cool. You answer 3 simple questions, push a button, and in a few minutes, you get like a 45-page document that tells you everything about your ideal client, their pain points, their tickle points, what they're struggling with, what they're looking for, their ideal message thing, words that will make them lean in. It's amazing. It's great bedtime reading. And it won't be available after today. The people who've already bought will get that. I'm basically waiting for the list of everyone who's going to get it, and then I'm gonna send it to Amy, and she's gonna hook you up. But you have to do it now. And the only way you can do that is by upgrading to VIP. I'm gonna drop the link in the show notes of this video on YouTube and on my website. Hop on this, okay? And it's only $97. It's worth way more. I mean, the Ideal Client Handbook alone is worth $500. That's what it sells for. You just need to look the right lens, and AI can help you with that. It's amazing. It's amazing the things that I've been seeing about my own work since I've started working with AI. I'm like, wow, I didn't know I had that in me. And you know what? I love seeing that moment in other people. Wow, you didn't know you had it in it? Well, you do. You do. So this moment of clarity, it's a turning point. When experts realize that their ideas already exist in conversations, in webinars, in blog posts, in all those things they've been pouring into the world, social media posts, writing stops feeling like invention and starts feeling like organization, because that's really what a client attracting book is. It's organizing and distilling the things you do in your business, the things that you do to help your clients in such a way that it attracts in your ideal clients, because you're speaking to their top of mind desires, pain points, and you're saying, I have the solution. Here it is in a book. I can help you. I wish I could reach through this screen, 3D glasses. I wish I could reach through this screen and help you see what you already have. I have that firm belief that right now, no matter who you are or where you think you are in your business, you are probably sitting on a goldmine book right now. And if you don't look at it through the right lens, you won't find it. You'll either not write the book or you'll write the wrong book. So what is this video about? Hopefully it's about showing you that you have what you need right now. You just need the right lens. And whether that lens is using AI or working with me, I don't care. I just want you to get that book out in the world because you have a message that's worthwhile. And a book is one of the best assets to have in your business to get that message out there. Just saying. Well, I have not planned next week's content, so I can't tell you what the next video is going to be about. It'll probably be about something about publishing, because that's the topic of the week next week. I just haven't come up with the specifics yet because my husband's been in the hospital and I've been busy being with him. Anyway, that's it for now. This is Carma Spence saying ciao for now. I'll see you in the next video. And join me tomorrow. Join me tomorrow, 10 a.m. Central at the Craft Your Authority Implementation Lab. We're going to create your Authority Amplification Plan. It will be epic. It will be awesome. But you can't go there unless you buy that VIP. $97, and you could be growing your authority as early as Sunday. Until then, this is Carma Spence saying ciao for now.
Bloopers!
I just realized I forgot to put my microphone on. So hold on a moment. I'm gonna I'm having a morning. Having a morning. Hang on. Let's get better sound. It's like these little crazy moments. You probably think I staged them, but no. I was just not thinking. Let me make sure you can hear me. Can you hear me? That's not the one thing I want to click. This is testing, testing. Yeah, looks like everything's on. Okay. Let's start that over. Good morning and welcome to Coffee with Holy cow. Okay. All right. Good morning and welcome to Coffee with Karma. Oh my gosh. So, there is this moment at the very beginning of the film. What am I talking about? It's not the beginning. Oh my Lord. Ugh. Let's try that again.